like Tata Motors. He's holding 16 shares at 790, keeping a long-term view, but share price is dropped to 408. And yes, that's largely because the commercial vehicles or the truck division has actually moved out of Tata Motors. So you will be eligible for a 1:1 share. One company that you have for Tata Motors passenger vehicle, you will get one more for the trucks business. That listing will happen sometime in mid-November. The date is not out yet, but watch out for that when it comes out. Shaina, in terms of Tata Motors, would you recommend, if someone's holding the passenger vehicle business, to continue to do that? And what is actually your view on the more profitable truck business, essentially? Would you ask viewers to switch into that business when it lists?
Yeah, see, in a way, I think yes, their CV business is going to do better than their PV business. So, when it lists, I would say it makes sense to switch from Tata Motors PV into the CV business. But I think even current levels PV, it's a hold. But as the question was, should she switch? My view is yes, she should switch because the domestic business is doing much better. Of course, there is some stability that is coming up in. Their international business, which actually accounts for a major chunk of the PV business. But I would say, as of now, you continue to hold and then you could switch.
Got the view, Shaina. But we also have another caller dialing in from Andhra Pradesh. Man Singh has a query. Man, very good morning to you and thanks so much for joining in. What's your query? Hi, Man. Am I audible to you? Sorry, I think we've lost Man, but we have a stock query flashing on the screen. He's wanting a long-term outlook on Transtrail, and we've also, done a KYC very recently, so you will be able to find that on our YouTube channel. But Shaina, let me come back to you because it's a long-term outlook that he's asking. What's your view on Transtrail?
No, I don't track it. I'll pass the question.
Kush, on the charts, would you recommend that trade getting into it right now because stock's done decently well for its investors? Your view?
Yeah, not from a near-term perspective. You're seeing the slide, from those high levels of 850 to about, sub 700 now. And even as we speak, the stock has, slipped below some of the key